On the board is the easiest video I've ever done. You need to find the value of x. We're asked to solve for x here. What you need to do is to find what is common here and here. Then factor out. If you check closely, 2 root over 2x minus 1 divided by this is common. So if you divide the whole of this by this, you have 1. You divide this by this. Let's see what is left there. Minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Then we divide by this. Because if you have 2 raised to power a divided by 2 raised to power b, in GCSE you can subtract the powers to be a minus b. So we do the same thing here. That will be 2 minus 1, then minus this other one, 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. We can now solve. Minus this one. Since they have the same numerator, so let's see what is common there. This can give you minus 2x. This is plus 1. Then divided by x minus 1. 3x minus 2x. That is x. Minus 2 plus 1. That's minus 1. Divided by x minus 1. So this and this can go, giving us 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 here, equal to 24. So 2 root to power 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 24. You can divide the two sides by 3. Times 3 is 3 divided by 3. Then 24 divided by 3. This can take care of this. So we have 2 raised to power 2x minus 1 divided by this equal to 24 divided by 3 is 8. Then we can have this to be 8 is 2 cubed. Having the same base, we can equate the powers, the base will go. Then we cross and multiply to have this times this, and this times 1. That will be 3 into x minus 1 equals to 1. Equals to this time, you got 2x. This multiply this, and this takes care of this. 2x minus 1. So clear the bracket. 3x minus 3 equals to 2x minus 1. Then collecting like terms, minus 2x equals to minus 1 plus 3. This gives you x, and minus 1 plus 3 gives you 2. So the answer to this big or lengthy question is just x equals to 2. Very simple. And if you like it, like, share to your friends, and follow the page for more of this. Bye.